Hello everyone. Welcome to the stream today. Hope you're having a good day. Today's been a fairly good day for me. All is well. So, not too bad. A couple things. I'm realizing just now that seems like I start my stream every time with a couple things. Here's what I did, blah blah blah. It's true. But so yesterday, Dr. Morgan and I were chatting a bit off stream, and I kind of showed a couple of the things we did, and we talked about some stuff. I don't remember all the details, but I did adjust this. There's refined pipes. I don't know if I've played with those before, but they seem fairly simple. Yeah, maybe we need to tweak recipes and stuff, but yeah, we'll figure it all out eventually. I think we want to get some of the bigger stuff figured out first as far as recipe tweaks, and then we can look at some of the smaller things later. Sure. Boop, boop. Yeah, I was just looking up this stuffed pumpkin. I think it's the only one that gives you all 4 of the main nutrients. Yeah, we're looking at these. If it goes all the way down, like under the malnourishment level, you do get some bad negative effects. And if it goes all the way up over the engorgement level, you get some negative effects. We did talk about like making it so there weren't actually any negative effects. I don't know if that's just setting it to 0 and then the engorgement to be infinity. That way, having a target that you can shoot for positive effects, but there's no negative effects if you just ignore it, I think is something we want to do. So I made myself some more carnitas, and we also got rid of the environmental controller because there seems to be a bug with it that if you hit tab, like to check the who's online and what their connection and all the other information you could put on there, it would just crash the client. And I did some searching, and according to one of the render threads, I think, on the crash report, it mentioned something about RF Tools utility. So I'm like, oh, maybe something with that. So I looked up on their issue tracker, and there was, in fact, a bug reported saying, hey, the client crashes when you hit tab, something RF Tools utility, something. And the mod author, McJady, said, there's a lot of stuff in here. Make sure you're using their latest ones. And then, like, nothing from the original reporter. And then I think somebody else said, there was a comment on it that says, it looks like the block that's causing the crash is the environmental controller. And then there was some more about make sure you've got up-to-date mods and stuff. And looking, from what I can tell, RF Tools base and utility are what's up to date with what is posted on CurseForge for this pack. And it was still happening. I was going to try and get it, like duplicate it with just the most recent version of Forge and the most recent version of his mods, and do kind of like a more proper comment on there that says, hey, I was able to reproduce it with this minimal mod list and this setup or whatever. But I haven't actually done that, so I haven't put in the comments on it. So looks suspicious. That's why I pulled it off, and now I can hit tab all I want, and it doesn't crash my client. So that's something. And then there were, as we noticed, some materials missing from electrodynamics. It seems like there's no way to get lithium. And I think there's some issue with the mod itself as well, because like you go to show recipes and there's like a JEI error, I think. And if we look at I've had multi-MC running for so long, it's not actually gonna do anything right now. So yeah, I think there's an issue with electrodynamics and JEI integration where there's no recipes in JEI shown, and so either they're not doing the recipes right or they're not understanding how it's supposed to go or something. But yeah, maybe the UI layout is not right or something. I don't know. But something's messed up, and it's making it so we can't see any recipes in there. So there might be a way to actually get the lithium. Like the impure lithium or the lithium dust or something. The impure dust with an R on all these others. Like the copper, actually, yeah, it doesn't say, but like when you put, there's a ore crusher or something or other. When you put the ore crusher in, it spits it out. So yeah. And I saw Dr. Moore pushing me around. Better hop in the voice. Are you there? Hello?
Nope.
How are ya? I need to turn pretzel down. It's like really loud in my ears.
Someone didn't tell me they removed it.
I know, that was my fault.
Yeah.
Did it not let you join?
No.
Oh.
There is a mod for that.
I thought it would.
Incompatibility mod.
Yeah, I thought it would let you join. It would just have your client take that off. Because that's what it used to do. Like 1.16, but yeah.
No, that was a mod I added that allowed you to join with incompatibility. It's a separate mod.
Okay. Because even with, I think on 12 you could do that as well.
No.
Oh, and I still haven't sent you the file for the rubber tree yet, have I?
I see the rubber tree in there.
Oh.
What am I supposed to be saying?
I thought you said it was just the, what's it? The sapling.
Look at it from the side.
Yeah. You see the tree or the sapling?
I don't see what you see. I see. It actually kind of looks like
the sapling just grows bigger and bigger.
Sapling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, there's a file I need to get.
Okay.
Make sure you get for your client. But yeah, you'll have to reload the client afterwards. So giving it to you now is not going to do much, actually.
Okay. I am actually going to.
Oh.
I need a fourth screen. Gosh.
You know how when you hit tab, it would crash your client?
Yeah, did you figure that out?
It seems to be an RF Tools utility bug with the environmental controller. Someone had a report to RF Tools utility, and then someone else says, it seems to be linked to the environmental controller. So I took our environmental controller off, and then I hit tab, and then it didn't crash. So I wanted I was going to verify it try and reproduce it with like a minimal mod list to give him more of a proper bug report of what's going on than just someone saying, so something in your mod's busted, I can't do it, and then someone else saying, I think it's this block. But because he said when he tried to reproduce it, he couldn't reproduce it. So whether he had a environmental controller set up or not, I don't know, but I was gonna make a note on the bug report or something for it.
Oh, okay.
A couple recipe things I've been working on. Did the
ingredient. Is this? Hold on. I'm gonna write a script to hide all the chisel and bits and the facades.
Oh yeah, okay.
You can do that with cubes. I'm just trying to think. It's saying JEI hide items event, and then it says example ingredient. So I'm guessing it would be the block state : I'm not going to do it for every single one. I should be able to use.
Yeah, I think there's a way to do it with the Cube.js client script. I think it's whatever it says of like, oh, use this to find your. Well, I think there's a way with Cube.js to do it, but I think there's a way with the JEI config file to do it.
Not anymore. There used to be. I looked for it.
Huh. But since they're doing the FTP,
yeah, it just says example
library stuff.
Ingredient. Like, I think I would have to do every single one because I can't tag it.
Yeah, well, is it a is it a thing where there's a tag for it? No, there's not a tag.
No, it's just the single quote. So the item name. So it'd be like for the one I grabbed.
Chisels and bits block bit, and then the NBT has the. Well, you could probably
do it without the NBT.
I think so.
So take the item ID.
Yeah.
Or wait.
Tell it to hide them all.
Or the item of. Take the item of. Oh wait, that's all one. Yeah.
Yeah, well that's all the. Yeah, the script.
But it has the name like grab a bit, and then do the cube's hand.
Yeah, I would just say that chisel and bits block bit, and then have that in your
I'm gonna try it. In my quotations, this is. Alright, and then I am going to delete the block. Oh, wait, you know what? It does, because it has comma, and then quotations again, or brackets, then the block state name. So, I think you're right. I think I could do it with just...
Yeah, just the item ID part without the extra.
: block _ bit. That's it. I think that'll do it.
Yeah, now you'll have to reload your client in order to see it.
Oh, but this isn't saved or anything. This is just something I'll upload it later. facade.
But yeah, I was working on the extended crafting stuff. Because you know how in Exigence 1, like the elite components, we made it a 5x5 in the previous.
That's not gonna...
Like each component's level was craftable in the table one level down. So I was going to copy all those over, but since we had it as the Astral Sorcery Illumination Powder, we have to switch it back to the Luminescence or whatever.
I need to add an extra. Yeah, sorry, I needed to add an extra bracket.
Alright, this one. I think basic component will leave with its default shapeless recipe.
Event hide. Event hide. Ooh, where am I gonna put the parentheses on that?
I don't know. Oh wait, how did I do that last time? I think grab that here. Oh no, I have that over here.
Because the way the example has it is like on event, parentheses, quote, single quote, JEI, hide items, single quote, comma, event, and then open up brackets, and it's event.hide, and their example is event.hide, open parentheses, single quote, example, colon, ingredient, single quote, close parentheses, and then close out the line. So I have event.hide, open parentheses, and then item of, and then open parentheses, the like AE2 facade or chisel and bit. Well, open parentheses, single AE2 facade, single quote, close parentheses, and then close out the line. I don't know if that's right, but that is the item of.
Yeah, you don't. Are you doing it in the script?
Yeah.
So the item of is, I think that's what you want, but you just don't need the second argument to it.
So delete the parentheses on the inside is what you're saying? Here, let me show you on
Discord.
Copy that. No, I'll just do it right here.
Paste it in the thing.
Yeah.
All right, I have to get back to my thing.
That way, others.
On event, JEI.hide items event is event.hide item of AE2 facade. That looks correct. Yeah, so I mean, if you want to try that, we can try that.
Okay, I mean, it will. Let me, because I have a stack size script up as well. Mm-hmm. So I did ender pearls. Anything else we want to stack up, you let me know, and we'll add to it. So I'll have those two kind of going. Let me save this as hide JEI. Okay, we'll leave it. We'll see how it goes. Okay. I can get rid of you. So you changed these for as in smooth basalt and crimson stem.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's what you need in order to make the wood and rock, respectively. But I did make. So look at the, I guess, advanced component. I guess, well, the elite component is what I just going to change now. But so if you give me like half a second.
Component. Yep. Oh wait. Recipes.
Because that's
You
like
didn't change that yet.
Well, the advanced component is changed because if you look at like the elite component, it's a single slate, a single luminescence, and 2 diamonds.
I gotcha.
Yeah, it was like that, but with the gold. But this is the recipe we had in Exigence 1, except for it used the illumination powder. But since we don't have astral sorcery, I'm just like, well, we'll just use luminescence because that's what the default object is there.
Yeah, and those should be gold blocks.
Gold blocks? Okay.
Oh yeah.
I can change that.
Is there...
You want the diamond blocks for the next one too?
And they should be luminescence blocks.
Is there a luminescence block?
There is a luminescence block.
Alright. Is the tag storage blocks /gold?
It should be, right?
Storage _ blocks. Storage _ blocks. Yeah, alright. And then there's luminescence, you said? Lumin. Oh, there is. Yes, okay. And there's no tag for it, so I just get the luminescence
I just got
block.
an idea.
_ block. Alright, let me grab this and put that here as well. Alright, diamond, storage _ blocks, diamond. Okay, perfect. And save this one.
Oh wait, where's the cubes? I want examples of for specific mods.
Oh, like a recipe or a
like Botania
for in
like
what context? For an item wildcard that is all the items of a certain mod?
No. As in, like, I want to add a Runic Alter recipe.
Oh, the recipe additions, I've been just making the data pack for it and putting that in the Cube.js stuff. So there actually should be one example already. So if you look on the GitHub,
hold on.
do Cube.js and then go in the data folder.
Hold on. Going on GitHub. Under... Okay.
Yeah, so it'd be overrides, Cube.js, data, and then Botania, recipes, Runic Alter, blah, blah, blah.
Runic Alter.
Because there was one I put in there for the Coke brick and alloy brick and the glass brick. So there's an example of one being done already.
Yep. Got it. I'm just going to make a new Botania and then we can just add them together. Right. So just because it's easier to do it local.
Yeah.
Okay. So output.
Although if you want it to see it on the server, we need to get it transferred to the server.
Yeah.
But I'm ready to do this one.
To reload?
Yeah. Did you have one you wanted to, the recipe you wanted to try?
Here, give me a few minutes and that's item ID, right? That is item ID. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm becoming a lot more comfortable just making the JSON file for the data pack way rather than trying to figure out the scripting way to do it. Because
and then you tag the ingredients.
Yeah, like the Cube.js add-ons, all they are is just convenience methods for the scripting way. And I'm like, well, we don't need the add-ons if we can just do it with the other way. So I've been just making it do it the other way. And the added bonus is if you're changing a recipe, instead of having to remove it and then add it in, you can just have it as the same name as what's inside the mods data pack, and then it just overwrites it. So changing a recipe is really trivial. You just copy it from the mods jar, tweak it, and then save it in the same path in your own. A soul lantern, was that you?
That was me.
All right, did you need it?
No.
I should turn my magnet off then. Ha! You've got it now.
No, I don't want to tag it. I want to item ID it. Why do you have tags for ingredients in the Runic Alter? So it's like because you want any ingot of brick.
Yeah.
I don't want a tag. I want an item ID. So do I need to change that tag to item?
Yeah, just replace the word item with, or tag with item.
Tag with item.
Yeah.
Yep, gotcha. I don't like that it copies the single quotes, though.
Well, it's because it's encouraging you to do it the scripting way. The scripting way, you want the single quotes. And I think with the JSON, you can have it single quotes or double quotes. It doesn't matter. It's just that everywhere else in the data pack is double quotes. And so I just like to be consistent, really.
Well, I mean, it's nice because you can click and copy and then...
Yeah. Yeah, okay. I don't know if there's a way to not copy the single quotes when you do that, but...
I don't... Maybe there's a mod for it.
Well, there might be a way to get the item ID not using Cube.js that is going to be more convenient for the way we're doing it, but... Actually, there might be like a forge command. Forge... No, it doesn't look like it. Data, get, no. There's no, not that I can see already. So you're doing a Runic Alter recipe for the luminescence?
I am.
Nice. That means we need to remove the original luminescence.
Yes.
Okay.
I was going to get to that.
No, I'll do it. Because I've got that file up already.
Okay. And then I want to actually copy that. There we go. And
luminescence is extended crafting luminescence. All right. Extended crafting essence. I think I spelled that wrong. Lumine.
Alright. LUMINESSENCE.
Okay. Alrighty. Save that guy. And then I come, that is in server scripts. Boom. All right, so you are adding a a Runic Alter recipe for it.
Yes.
You just gonna send me the JSON file, or are you gonna?
Yeah, I'll give it to you. I mean, I could copy and paste it too, but hold on. I need. No. Yeah, we're not gonna get rid of that. So.
Hammer. Do you want to be sleazy like we did last time? I mean, tricky like we did last time, and require steel for that? Because I was having the blast oven be the preferred way to do it, so we'd have to change that.
Ooh, hold on.
Isn't there?
I don't want any damage on this one. I don't care if it has damage on it. It doesn't bother me. So I'm gonna remove that.
There's no alloying of steel in the Tinkers. We can't arc furnace. There's no way of getting the steel grit without the crusher.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna have mechanisms. So, like, I heard you talking about something about lithium, dude. I mean, mechanism's gonna be updated. So, but we can get some stuff done.
Yeah, and I think that as far as like the tech progression, I instead of more of a do this mod than this mod than that mod, I want it more of a all at once kind of thing. Or like you were saying, to get the upgrades, like the tier installers and everything, it's you have to do some stuff in other mods or whatever to get them.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me go to documents.
And I want part of it to be like they're gonna have to set up like 20 or 30 different sequenced assembly chains if they want to get everything automated properly.
There you go.
All right, let me grab this. Boop. Ooh. All right. The JEI hide one, that's a client-side script, so I don't need it right now. The stack size one, I think, is the same. No,
that
I think
would have to be server. That would have to be server, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know where that's supposed to be. But yeah, this one, I'll just copy paste it in.
Let's see.
So that would be Runic Alter. Oh, you're doing the immersive hammer as one of the recipes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Think about it, because you have a lantern and a soul lantern and glowstone and a blaze block, and then you hammer it all together. And it gives you one luminescence powder.
That's hilarious.
Mm-hmm. It makes sense, right?
It's wonderful. Okay, let me put this in.
Dude, I didn't even know you could do this with cubes, but you could change saturation on foods.
Oh yeah. So where?
Okay.
This one. Okay. I need to put it in that folder. So open. I need a new text file. Luminescence.json. Oh, I need it to not be text. Come on. Yes, I want to change it. Okay, good. Boop. Alright, I do need to actually change your item of, because that's not supposed to be there. Jason doesn't care about item of. Alright, let's try that. Hit refresh over here. There we go. Alright. Let's give it a shot. Ready to reload?
Sure, go ahead. Reloading. Well, you're gonna have to do it twice.
No, actually.
Oh, did they fix that?
It seems to, yeah. Oh, and then hop down. There's,
I see the flashing.
Yeah, it's annoying.
On your screen.
I want the strobe light to not be there.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, it says reloaded. Now your client's going to freeze for a bit.
Oh, there it goes. So, no, I want a recipe of that. It doesn't show up yet.
I know, you have to wait for your client to get back.
Oh, there it goes.
Are you being booted? Because I'm being booted, I think.
I'm probably being booted.
Yeah.
Did we crash it?
No, we shouldn't have. I'm logging back
responding.
in. See what it says.
Oh, there we go. I didn't get booted.
Oh, okay. Lucky.
Uh-huh. You can downcraft, and you can make it. That's such a... I love that recipe. Fantastic.
And then look at the elite and the advanced components. Alright, so the advanced... Oh, no!
It doesn't have a recipe.
No, the elite is... Look at the advanced component. I just flubbed the thing. The output item on the elite recipe says advanced.
Nice. Luminescence. This is blocks. Blocks of gold. Black iron. Oh, we got to change that black iron.
Yeah, that is simple to... I don't know about that black iron, actually.
I'm going to change it.
For what? I don't want it to be more than black and iron, but we can make it a arduous process.
Let me think.
Or maybe the slate has to be done in a special way, but like the ingots... Yeah, I don't know if I want to change the ingot recipe. But I can see a slate needing to be done on the... Like the way you would make an iron plate or something. Because the slate is essentially a black iron plate.
Wait, where are we gating this behind?
Extended crafting?
Oh, I mean, that's going to be like middle end?
No,
stuff,
I want it early.
Oh, okay, so that means Botania's got to be early.
Yeah, Botania is early. Right now, Botania's really only gated. Like the Petal Apothecary is gated behind digging down to Deep Slate, and then the Runic Altar is gated behind getting to the Nether, and filling up a mana pool is getting to the Nether. So like once you get to the Nether, you can get really into Botania.
Well, yeah, you have to make the luminescence too, because you need the blaze.
Yeah.
Powder.
Oh, that's right. I didn't even look up at the recipe for that.
Okay, so...
I do like that. Blaze Lantern, which is blaze. Regular Lantern. The Soul Lantern, which needs the Soul Torch, so you have to get the Soul Sand or Soul Soil or something. Glowstone, and the Engineer's Hammer. I think we'll leave the Engineer's Hammer as just any stick and any iron, like just the default recipe.
Except I want to change. I want to change the string.
To hemp or something?
Maybe.
Uh-oh, Sharkana's putting out a crazy alert.
How about hemp rope coil? I mean, it's just for hemp.
Yeah. Isn't there... Oh, that's right. There's no more... So, Industrial Reborn, there's no metal former. There's the extruder, but that's not what I was thinking it to be. It's essentially the turn water and lava into cobblestone, essentially.
Okay.
But like the metal former, because I was like, oh, well, what is extruding a block of iron in the metal former? And then I'm like, oh wait, there's no metal former. That's one of the IC2 things that isn't in Industrial Reborn. Because I was actually looking at doing that for something, but did I change that recipe name again already? Yeah, okay, I did. I just, yeah.
Okay, that recipe will come later. Okay, I think I have an idea what I'm gonna do for the Infusion Altar.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be done with mechanism, but I need mechanism blocks. So
yeah, well, we'll need mechanism first.
Yeah, let's not touch that for now.
So like you mean which Infusion Altar?
The one you used to make all the seeds.
Oh, that one? Yeah. I do want... Well, like the Infusion Altar, you're going to want to get that relatively early. But what I'm thinking we should gate, actually, is have the infusion crystals to craft the next tier up to be where, like, the big gate is.
I mean, personally, I don't even want to use the Infusion Altar. I actually want to use the Runic Altar.
Well, right, but like I like the Infusion Altar for other things too. Like
no, I meant to craft the seeds.
Oh yeah, for the seeds, yes, that's fine. But like, I want to use the Infusion Altar from Mystical Ag in other recipes.
Oh, okay.
Because like if you look, I've got over here a Wither Skeleton data model that gives... Oh, we need some prediction. We're going to run out of power if I don't put in prediction matrices. Prediction. Oh, and I need the glass panes.
Netherite. Did you find netherite?
Yeah, the builder that's quarrying the nether found some ancient debris.
Nice.
Alright, you go there. Oh, you're fine.
Wait, what? Oh, never mind. So that'll turn...
Yeah, so having a Wither Skeleton in the simulation chamber and then getting the loot fabricator to turn the wither skeleton prediction into coal seemed a bit more reliable than the bonsai pots. It's just that you have to keep feeding it. But one thing I thought of is, you know, the mystical agriculture way of getting the soul jars, and you have to go kill the mob and get the soul jar filled with the mob.
Yeah.
I thought maybe we could take the like the prediction from that mob with an infusion altar, so like 8 of the predictions from the whatever deep mob learning is renamed to now, the hostile neural networks. Yeah. So like for the to get the blaze soul jar filled, you need 8 blaze predictions, and then you put that on the infusion altar as a convenience recipe. So like you really only have to kill 6 to get the data model, and then once you've got the data model, you can do the simulation chamber and get all the predictions, and then do it that way. I mean, you're going to need to do 4 of them in order to make the seeds for the blaze seeds. But I figured we could have a shorter way of filling up the soul jar kind of thing. Kind of using the hostile neural networks technology.
Yeah.
Are you looking at the
logic circuit? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use it in a recipe.
Okay. The thing with that, the thing with the logic circuit,
doesn't have a recipe yet.
It doesn't. So we added one in Exigence because the standard way of making it is using that table to like wire it together. And so if you're going to have it like, oh, you need to use 1 or 2 here and there, then that's fine. We don't need to add a recipe for it. But if it's like, oh, you're going to need thousands of these to finish the pack, then yeah, we would want to add a recipe for it.
Yeah, you're going to need thousands.
But like, I don't know if
come up with that recipe.
I don't know if I want to for the immersive logic circuit, because we've got other logic circuits to do.
Oh, okay, here.
What are your ideas?
Fine. Do you want to use the electric circuit from industrial?
Well, there's the circuits from electrodynamics. There's the the electronic circuit and the advanced circuit. I'm using those already for to make the control circuit from advanced generators. And then if you look at RF Tools Control, they've got the what is it? There's the base card, the card base, and then all the different CPU cores. And then there's a RAM chip and stuff. Like, we could use those.
Okay, I got some.
Wasn't there a
data? You added a sequence. How many sequence is it? 3?
Well, it says on there.
No, I'm looking on the GitHub.
Oh, that's the loops at the end. It says how many.
Oh, 4.
Yeah.
So that's number of items, right?
Well, that's how many times to go through each of those. So, like, if you look at it in game, you need the vacuum tube, the redstone dust, and the Certus quartz dust for one pass through, and you have to loop that through 4 times. And then it's a 90% chance of succeeding and the 10% chance of random salvage, but the only random salvage it gives you is the input item. So I like to do it that way instead of like, oh, you can get a random thing that's going to break your automation. No, you make it easier. It's either going to work or it's not. And if it doesn't work, it's going to give you the thing to start with. So you can just like loop them around on themselves.
So hold on. Does this mean that it uses 4 vacuum tubes and 4 redstone and 4 Certus?
Yes.
Okay.
That's kind of the way those sequence assemblies work is it's one of like whatever the sequence is times however many loops you do. So like if you look at the component for like the precision mechanism, it starts with the gold plate. And then you get a little cogwheel, a big cogwheel, and an iron nugget, and you have to loop that through 5 times. So the entire recipe uses up 16 items, including the original input item.
Right.
And so that's an easy way of making things like more and more expensive, is just having more loops on it. Although I think if I were to set this up, instead of having it loop back around on itself and try and figure out how to make it smart by looping it through, I would just have it be one big long conveyor belt that just has the single sequence repeated however many times it needs it. I think that's in my brain, the more logical way to set it up for like bulk automation.
Right. Sorry, I'm concentrating.
Oh, I've been ignoring chat. Hang on. Oh yeah, I've been ignoring pretty much everything on my computer screen except for the big thing I had open covering everything else, which was not the chat, not Discord, not even my like OBS preview thing. It was just, yeah. So these other, where do these other ones go? The stack size, you have that, does it say where to put that? Is it just in any of the server scripts? Because I just throw it in.
I think it's just any of the scripts.
Okay.
That's why I made it a separate thing, you know?
Yeah. So I will put it right next to the others, I guess. Oh, yeah, that's the one I want to do. Boop, 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 boop. There it is.
Uh-oh.
Alright, adjusting stack sizes. Oh, you're making them fire resistant?
That was just on by default.
Alright.
But why not?
You're like, why not? Oh my goodness. And then that goes in server scripts. We'll try that. All right, do you have anything else to do right now, or do we do a reload to see if my elite component?
Give me a few minutes, and I'll send you one.
Okay, while you're doing that, I will work on the other. The whatever is after elite. Ultimate, I guess. Sure, let's look at ultimate, not the ultimate, just ultimate.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's the one. And I go here.
I got it.
That's not that one. Ultimate, there we go. Alright, now I go here. Do. Alright, and then this is this one. Alright, and then we want luminescence block. And then emerald block as well, right? And that is an ultimate component. All right, and let's copy that over. Boom. All right, you about ready?
Like 2 minutes.
Oh, am I going faster than you?
I'm doing a sequence. It takes longer.
Uh-huh. Are we keeping up on the coal, or do we need a new? I think we need a new one.
I kind of know what this one is anyway. Okay.
Not at the moment, Sharkana.
There we go.
Oh, it's not thunderstorm.
Save. Alright, let me toss this on the Discord for you.
Alright. And then where does it go?
Create.
Oh, it's a create
sequence.
one. Okay. That is...
Don't read it, just put it in.
Well, I might have to fix it. But I will try not to react to it until afterwards. Which is the one that I had? It is... Oh, the control circuit. Okay.
Yeah.
I need to open new folder. And then what is this item?
The light engineering block.
Okay. Light engineering block. JSON. Boom. Okay. Oop. Oop, that's too far. Alright, and paste. Okay, just a quick scan through. Looks like you formatted everything right.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then we want to remove the other one from the thing, or?
Yeah, might as well actually, while you're there.
I need to hop to there. Event.remove ID immersive engineering. What is the name of the recipe?
Light engineering block?
Yeah. It is immersive engineering : crafting / light engineering. That's what I needed.
How do you turn those on again? F3H, right?
Yeah. Light engineering. All right. Boom. All right. So you had a create sequence assembly.
Sequence.
Boom. And then the server script. Remove needs to be updated. Boom. All right, see who it boots this time. Is it gonna boot you or me? Or neither? What's the over-under?
You.
You gonna boot me?
No errors. And now it's gotta push it to us.
Yeah, so usually like you just hang out for a bit and then your client will freeze and then it comes back. Okay, my client just froze.
And wait for it.
All right, I'm back.
Me too.
Oh, the recipe didn't work.
Nope. Oh.
It says, looking in the warnings, there's a whole bunch, so I don't know what that is.
Okay, well,
unknown item tag immersive engineering component iron. You probably meant item instead of tag or something.
In where?
It hang on.
I didn't use iron for anything except the sheet metal.
So your tags. Yeah, the tag isn't.
Oh, the tag of Minecraft copper. That needs to be item, and the gold ingot, and the. Okay, right. I got it. Those three in the center.
Yeah, okay, I'll fix it.
Instead of tags, just need to be items.
And then this one, item. All right, yeah, I would rather have a tag for gold ingot and a tag for copper ingot than items, but yeah, I get it. I'll probably tweak it, but we'll just get this working.
It doesn't affect it though.
Yeah, it's one of those I don't know, elegance things, I think.
You like drink your water with your pinky out too?
No, that's not elegance. That's something different. All right, reload again, and my wife is needing my attention, so hold on real quick. I gotta mute here and here.
Hey, it worked. That means I can go to bed now. Let's use this for those. Uses more copper. Actually uses less iron, but then adds in more gold. This is cheaper unless we change the iron sheet metal recipe. Which is 4 iron plates. Oh.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm back, yay!
Okay. It worked now. The thing is, it's actually cheaper on iron.
Is it
but it's more expensive on because it's only one sheet metal.
Yeah, but how many iron components you putting in? 4.
Which is the same, and then it's more expensive on copper, and then it adds in gold. But we need to change the iron sheet metal to be 8 iron plates, and it only gives you 1.
Yeah, I could see that. I don't know if you saw the recipe I had for the. I don't think you did. Oh, my brain is going blank right now. Oh, and it's on the other computer. I can't bring it up right now, anyways. But for the Simplicity 3 Not So Simple mode, I did a similar thing, but I used like the electron tube from Create and the like wires or something like that. So instead of just an ingot, it was like a electrum wire, and instead of like it was still the mechanical component. Because see, like this is the 12 things plus the sheet metal, and yeah, we can make the sheet metal more expensive. Actually, I can do that right now. Immersive engineering, crafting sheet metal iron. I will find that.
Okay. Well, I'll think. Obviously, I'm gonna do the heavy machine block through the sequencer as well, using the light engineering, and then probably the steel and the steel sheet metal maybe, and then the last component, I don't know, maybe some circuit of some sort. I haven't thought that far ahead yet. But I need to go to bed. I'm tired.
All right. You're heading to bed? All right. Yeah, it is.
I am.
It's almost pumpkin time.
All right. Well, have a good night.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Later.
Later. All right. Let's look at. Open that up. Boom. Immersive recipes, crafting, sheet metal, iron. That's simple to change actually. I just need, and then you wanted only one. And I presume that same thing holds for all the other ones. All right, so then I just load it on the server. Immersive. Boom. Okay. Now let's see if that works now. And I need to make it, I just, with the screen size difference, I want to make it so that we can have the, this up, but I think I need to increase the zoom or something. All right, yeah, that'll work actually. I don't know about my colors here, but that might work. But yeah, I'll mess with that. Because I like the idea of having the code that I can show up on the stream as well. I just don't have that available at the moment. All right, so boom, boom, there we go. So 8 sheets makes 1. Yeah, I actually like that change. And then there's something else I thought about doing. Yeah, well, as far as the changes there, so we've got we've got all the other sheet metals to do, because I like that adjustment, so we can do all the sheet metals that way. I do need to finish. Oh, I should check the ultimate. Just regular ultimate, not the ultimate. But that recipe didn't work then. Okay. Oh, did I? Maybe I didn't change it? Hang on. Boom. No, okay, it was, there's some error warning then. Cube.js warnings. Unknown item, no, that's not me. That's not me. That's not me. That's not me. Glyph recipe, it doesn't exist. Cucumber shape, no mirror, doesn't exist. I don't see my issue then. What is ultimate component? I have the item luminescence block. Tag, forge, storage blocks, emerald. Black iron slate from ultimate component. And then I did copy that up to the server, didn't I? Boop, boop. Ultimate component. Yeah. So it didn't give me a warning. So number one is Ars Nouveau, glyph recipe. It doesn't, the recipe type doesn't exist. Mystical agriculture essence, limestone. Failed to parse the recipe. Failed to parse the recipe, mystical agriculture essence. That's not me. Number four is solar generation, solar core. There's no Invar nugget, so that's not me. Are you sure there's no Invar nugget? Maybe there's not. Maybe there's no Invar. That's right, there's no Invar. Because that's a thermal thing. Yeah, that's a thermal thing. Platinum nugget. There's no platinum. That's a solar generation. A solar generation. Immersive crusher. There's no fluorite. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my recipe then. Shaped table. ES, item tag, item. I don't see why this wouldn't work. Let me do this. Oh, I see the problem. Problem is right here. I found the problem. It was a parsing error. I didn't finish the thing properly. All right. That was my fault. Let's get that upload changed then. Boom. Reload. Can I spell correctly? Reload. There we go. Burp derp. Do. Oh, I'm rubber banding. All right, now my client froze. Yay! Fixed it. All right. Yeah, I'm fine. Actually, we could make this. Let's make it a block that gets smashed. A block that gets smashed here. Yes, I like that. Let's do it. Black. Iron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this guy, I want to smash in the thing. So let's come here. Actually, let me see. Is this going to work? If I click this, you guys can see. I think. No, this one. Yeah. And then it has the overlay on it. Okay. So yeah, I need to get into here. Create recipes. Pressing, I think it's what they call it. I'll double check that. So pardon while I look on the other thing here. I go into create, data, create, recipes, pressing, yes. Okay. And the way they do it is it's the thing that's, yeah, the names are wrong. All right, so I get to create one, new text document, and I go black iron slate .json. That's not how you spell JSON. Rename. JSON. There we go. That's the one I want to edit. And then that's... Okay, I need to go here. Copy this. Plop that down. Alright, and then I get this bit. Boop. And then that is item here. Item. Although, is there a tag version of that? There's not. Otherwise, it would say it down there anyways. Okay. All right. Yeah. And then output, you get extended crafting. Black iron slate. All right. So let's kill that. Boop. Now I need to go to my removed. Remove. ID. MES extended crafting. Black iron slate. Boop, boop, boop. Haha, I named it right. Okay. Alright, now we save that guy. And then that guy is saved. Okay. Now we go to the server. I want create, needs a reload. Actually, not really. But I do this. Boop. Boom. Now I go to the server scripts. And removed was updated. Boom. Okay, reload. Alright, well that goes. Let me minimize these so I can see everything. So I'm not losing people. I think Shirkana left. Oh, that's right. Can't get in there because the server is restarting. I froze. Oh, now you can see my little spinny mouse thing. It's like teeny though. Alright. Alright, uses on the metal press. I like it. So now instead of 2, you need 9. So I just multiplied the cost of all those by 4.5. Lovely. All right, I think, yeah, I think we're gonna need another wither skeleton simulation chamber. Because this one's self-aware and it is not keeping up with the coal. And this is, I want to say, slowly draining. So, yeah. Now we could make this burn slower. But the problem is we're using the power. It's not like we're not using the power, but most of the power is going to the quarries, and I have the nether one turned off, so it's really only 1. But it's 5k per tick going over to that quarry thing. Yeah, so yeah, let's go get another one. Data module. Alright, let's take the spider one out. We don't care about spiders anyways. Another builder. And then this tunnel spot here is near Soul Sand Valley. So there you get them all over here. Alright. So I need to come down here, right click. Alright. And you go in there. Now let's put you in the offhand. Come on. Got one, so now it says 5 remaining. Let's do this guy. Now, only 2 more. Go away, Wraith! Oh, there's one over here. The Enderman! Where are you at? Come and fight me like an Enderman. Missed. Hey, come out. Alright, well I got it up to basic level. Let's just keep going because this is actually not too hard. And it is faster to do it by hand than it is to have the simulation chamber level it up. You should get Sniper for that one. $27. Oh, come on, Enderman. Hey, where'd you go? Uh-oh. It froze. Uh-oh. Oh, what is with the lag? It's like some client render lag. There is... Alright, what is it? What is going on? Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, can I get the console, please? Alright, server console says I timed out. And my client's just still frozen. Oh, come on. Well, I'm gonna have to fix this. So I think I'll end the stream here anyways. But yeah, we've got it upgraded. Was it advanced at 14 remaining? So that's a good start, at least. Where should we go? Let's do this. Let's go to Sketch. We haven't been over there in a while. Let me mute his stream so that I can get my raid prepared. All right, so that is the target. So if you wouldn't mind joining me, that would be great. Yeah, so a couple of those recipes we need to get finished. A lot of that is just copy paste and tweak here, tweak there. Like we had a good discussion, Dr. Morgan and I, with some of the things. I kind of like where he's going with the recipe tweaks for the engineering blocks. Yeah, I think that when him and I get to where we're discussing the recipes and the tweaks and the plan, we just kind of like it was one of those, feed off each other type of things. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys over at Sketch. Give him a howdy for me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you later.